Hello students. So when we want to use Illustrator or any program, it's really good to get into the habit of starting off by creating a new file for our project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder and I'm going to call it moving type. This is where I'm going to keep any inspirational images we're using for our document, or anything that we save on Illustrator or Photoshop or for our GIF. So I've made this file now, and then when I open up Illustrator, what you'll see is you'll get a page like this. To create our new document, you can either click on New File here, or you can go to the top and click File and New, and then this page will come up. We're going to start off by naming our document, so I'm going to call it moving type. We choose our width and our height, and if we want to swap those over, we can choose whether in which it's landscape or portrait. Usually what happens is one of these are highlighted to tell you whether in which you've created something that's more like a portrait or more like a landscape. But for this, we're doing something that's square because it's 15 by 15 centimeters. You can also choose whether in which you want it to be measured in millimeters, centimeters, meters, yards, feet, inches, pixels, and so on. Today we're doing it in centimeters, so you want to start off by putting in 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Ignore the bleed for now. We'll come to that on another day. The other thing that we want to consider is we want to make sure that our color mode is CMYK and not RGB. That's important when printing, but as we're not printing today, we won't go into that. Then there is your raster effects. So our raster effects at the moment is high 300 ppi. PPI stands for pixels per inch. So essentially we have high, medium, small, and then tiny. If we're having it high, that means that we've got high resolution. If we've got 150, that's sort of a medium resolution. So that depends on the quality of our document. When that's all done, we just click create. And then what should come up eventually is our window. So where's good to start? So a good thing to do is when you press the space bar, you're able to drag your page around. So that's really useful when working. And another good thing to do is if you press Ctrl and then plus, or if you're on Mac, it's Command. So you press Command plus to zoom in, and Command minus or Ctrl minus to zoom out. I like to keep it in the middle. The other way that you can sort of change that is in the bottom left hand corner. You can see it says 100% here. You can change that to 150 and so on. Another way that you can do this as well is that in your toolbar on the left hand side, you'll see like a little magnifying glass. If you click on that, you'll be able to zoom in, but then if you press the minus, oh no, I was wrong. If you press the command minus, you'll be able to zoom back out again.